this review is for this wonderful space-saving portable heater. As you can see, it just looks like an oversized Alexa. It's not huge, but it's same sort of shape and style as an Alexa. Very easy to use. You can use the buttons on the top, very straightforward. On, off, do you want it to rotate, do you want the temperature to go up and down? But it also comes with a really handy remote control. So let's just switch it on. And you can hear the fan. It's not too loud. We're sitting at 22 degrees. It's easy enough to go up a degree or down a degree depending on how you want, but 22 is where I want it to be. You can set a timer. You can also set it to oscillate. Just takes me a second to think about it. There it goes. So it also oscillates, which is handy too. It's very, very powerful. It heats up very quickly. So as you can see, I've got it on this time, on the oscillating, but let's just switch that off now. The heat it, throw it on, let's put it back up to 22 degrees, my preferred heat. Just takes a wee second after you press the button for it to come back up. As I say, it just takes a second or two. Anyhow, what else is there? There's a mode. I should maybe show you that. So you can have it a low heat and a high heat. That's the power of the fan, sorry, I should say. So you can have it higher or lower. Honestly, the heat coming out of this already is quite astounding. It's really quick. So yeah, I think it's fantastic. And I like the shape of it. I like how it's very compact and you can stick it into the corner. 5 stars from me. Thank you for watching my video review and I hope you find it helpful.